How to change Google Chrome theme. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and click on three dots at the top right. Scroll down and click on Settings. In the settings on the left side, click on Appearance and then click on Theme, which will open Chrome Web Store. You'll find different themes. Simply select the theme you want to add. Then you'll find Add to Chrome option. Simply click on Add to Chrome and then restart your Chrome. After that, you're good to go. Your theme will be changed into the theme you have chosen. And this is how to change Google Chrome theme. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.